Hi, this is Nadia from LifterLMS, and in this video, I'll show you that how you can update your user certificate, that means the awarded certificates. So as a student, I have a certificate. I already received this certificate. So now as admin, I can modify this certificate. So in this video, I'll show you that how you can modify your user's awarded certificate. So first we have to visit our WordPress backend, then engagements, awarded certificates, where we will see all the awarded certificates. Now we will choose a specific user certificates as we want to modify or update a specific user certificate. Then we have to click on edit. So here is the awarded certificates. Now I can modify this content or I can modify the design of this certificate. So I'll change the username and I will modify some content here. So I will add this. I don't want a heading. I want a paragraph here. And I will add a size here for the text. I think 70 or it's a big large. So I will choose 30 or close to 30. So here it is. Now I will modify some content. I want to remove the 3 hour and I will add 6 hour. And it's done. So I will save this. And now if I visit as a student and if I open my certificate, I will see that here is the latest content of the certificate. So now this certificate is updated for me, and now I can download it. So if I open it again, I'll show you that here is the new content of this certificate. So this is how you can update your user certificate. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.